Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix LG washing machine door not opening. To fix, wait a couple of minutes after the cycle ends and it may auto unlock. Then unplug the washer for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the control port. Check for water in the drum as LG won't unlock with water inside. Here, run a spin or train cycle to empty leftover water from the machine. Make sure child lock isn't on and turn it off if it is. Now, press and hold start or pause for 5 seconds to try unlocking. Press the training filter panel and use the manual release cord if available. Gently wiggle and pull the door, but don't force it if it's stuck hard. Lastly, call LG service if none of this work, could be a latch or control fault. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.